When something happens to their Medicine Park, Oklahoma HVAC system, homeowners often wonder why they didn't pay more attention to their HVAC maintenance service plan for preventative maintenance. Many significant issues seen in HVAC systems could have been caught earlier and helped a homeowner avoid their system completely shutting down. That is one of the most important aspects of maintaining your system, as it helps prevent headaches later. Dealing with an HVAC system that doesn't work during extremely hot or cold temperatures can be miserable, and it's something everyone wants to avoid. Secondly, you could save money by investing in preventative maintenance for your HVAC. Extensive repairs come with hefty bills. However, maintaining service for preventative care is often cheaper since repairs are made before they become major issues. Lastly, those who invest in preventative maintenance will prolong the life of the equipment they have in their Comanche County home. Little repairs may be performed occasionally, but it keeps your HVAC running and in optimal shape. If your Medicine Park, Oklahoma HVAC needs HVAC maintenance service, Robinson Air is here to handle it. Call us today at 580-699-5760 for your free quote.